Crystal Life has a specific goal with its pendants. We want you to create your own combination that meets your specific energetic needs. From our start back in 1995, we have been providing high-quality, moderately priced pendants that you can combine as you require for each situation. We make it easy for you by providing a description on the bottom of each product card and on each piece on our website. Let's look at how this is done. We're here at the Crystal Life store in Geneva, Illinois. Most of these pendants are also online at our website, crystallife.com. Our staff members, Tammy and Mitch, are going to show you how to go about selecting components for a pendant.
Hi, I'm Tammy McKeer and I'm a staff member at Crystal Life Technology. The crystals I chose today are for love. I first chose the Aventurine Portal Pendant. Aventurine is good for new beginnings and leading with love. The portal allows me to add more pendants as I feel needed. Next, I chose Rose Quartz. It is a gentle overall stone for unconditional love. Next, I chose the Kunzite because it lit up for me. When I see a pendant do that, it means it wants to work with me. And Kunzite is good for selfless love, and it's a stronger heart stone. Right now, I'm wearing all three. What's nice about the portal pendant is that I can choose to wear it alone, or I can choose different stones depending on what I feel for the day.
Hi, my name is Mitch, and I'm also a staff member at Crystal Life. I wanted to search for a combination of crystals that promoted love, but with more masculine energies. I chose Kunzite for its softer centering energy and connection to the heart chakra. I wanted to pair that with an authoritative crystal, so I decided on lapis for its ability to promote self-mastery and control. Then lastly, I added Tourmalinated Quartz to help dispel negative energies that might impede the lapis and Kunzite's positivity. I felt that these stones both stood out to me and would make a steady, stable combination.
So each has a selection of pendants. You can see that our pendants have large jump rings that will fit over our 4mm necklaces or over a chain or cord. Lastly, some folks have a favorite small stone they want to carry with them. For this situation, we carry metal spirals. You place the stone inside the spiral and wear. Stop by our Crystal Life store in Geneva, Illinois, or visit us online at crystallife.com and pick your own stones. If you need help, one of our staff is always on hand to assist. If you enjoyed this video, please like us on YouTube, where you can see more of our informative videos.